So this is a question, right? So this is the one we wrote. Find whether the function f is equal to this is irrotational, and hence find scalar potential function corresponding with them. So first of all, that vector must be a irrotational for finding scalar potential function. We need to check whether it is irrotational or not. So for checking irrotational means which condition has to satisfy curly f is equal to 0 bar hour, right? So directly we are writing curly f is equal. Simply here it is having del cross f, right? So this is equal to del cross f is nothing but we are going to use the determinant I, j, km. So in del I coefficient is nothing but dou by dou x, and this is dou by dou y, and this is nothing but dou by dou zm. And coming to this, so I coefficient is here it is having x square minus y cube, and this is y square minus 3x, and this is z square minus xy, right? Xy. So also is equal. So we need to check whether it is irrotational or not. So for this, first we need to find the determinant I into dou by dou y of this one. So dou by dou y of this one is nothing but simply what we'll get. Here it is having minus x. And dou by dou z of this one is nothing but. Is there any z term? No. So for that simply we'll get minus 0. And next minus j into. So this is dou by dou x of this one. We'll get it as minus y, and dou by dou z of this one is nothing but minus 0 plus k into dou by, so here it is dou by dou x of this one is nothing but minus 3m, and dou by dou y of this one is nothing but simply will get plus 3y square. So it means simply what we got it here it is finally minus xi and plus yj, and this is nothing but plus k into minus 3 plus 3y square. So what we require to saying that where irrotational means we need to get it as 0, right? But did we get 0 here it is? No. So simply we got the function, right? So simply what we can write, which is not equal to 0 bar. So therefore f bar is not a irrotational. F is not a irrotational vector. If it is not a irrotational vector, no need to find anything here. Okay. If it is irrotational, then only we'll find a scalar potential function, right? So simply you can leave like that. Okay. So one of the time they asked in external exam. So if people think that here they asked to show the scalar potential function. So here it is not irrotational. Don't think like that. If it is irrotational, then only that scalar potential function will exist. Okay. So here it is. This is not irrotational. Obviously, no need to find any scalar potential function. Okay. Next question. See here it is. Find the constants. Find the constants. Find the constants A, B, C, so that the vector the vector A is equal the vector A bar is equal to x plus 2y plus az into I plus dx minus 3y minus z into z plus 4x cy plus 2z km is irrotational, is irrotational, is irrotational. Also find phi such that a bar is equal to del phi. A bar is equal to del phi. So this is the question. So very important question. Number of times this one in they asked in external exams. So very important model. Okay. So here it is what they asked. See here, find the constants. So here we need to find the values on the A, B, C. These three values we need to find. For that, what they mention the condition so that the vector is irrotational. It means, is it necessary to prove that is irrotational? No. We require the values of A, B, C. For that, what is the condition they give? That vector is a irrotational vector. So they only mention that vector is irrotational. And next also what they asked, we need to find the function phi by using this condition. It means in another words, what they can ask, also find the scalar potential function phi m. Also find the scalar potential function phi. That one they may ask. Okay. So please listen carefully. Very important question. Okay. So here it is already we know that the vector a bar. So first what they mentioned, given that so the given vector is what they mentioned, a bar is irrotational. Given that the vector a bar is irrotational. Okay, so irrotational is nothing but what we know the condition, that is curl a bar is equal to 0 bar. So this is the condition. If satisfies, it is a irrotational. So curly a bar is nothing but this is in word notation and symbolic notation. How can you write this one? Del cross a bar is equal 0 bar. Now you can find this one. So here it is having ji and this is j and this is k. And in del I is nothing but dou by dou x and this is nothing but dou by dou y and this is nothing but dou by dou zm. And in a bar, what about the I coefficient? X plus 2y plus az and j coefficient is nothing but bx minus 3y minus z, and here it is having 4x plus cy plus 2z. So just I wrote this curly a bar, and now you need to find this is nothing but I into. So here it is having dou by dou y of this one is nothing but simply what we get c none, right? This is 0 and this is also 0, and here it is having cm. And next dou by dou z of this one minus of, here it is having this is 0, this is 0, and minus z derivative is nothing but minus 1. And next minus j into, so here it is having dou by dou x of this one is nothing but 4m. Dou by dou x of this one is 4, and dou by dou z of this one is nothing but minus a plus k into, so this is nothing but dou by dou x of this one is b, and dou by dou y of this one is nothing but minus 2. So that is nothing but AD minus BCM. That's why minus 2. So this is equal 0 bar. So this is simply 0 bar. And finally, what we got it here, it is having C plus 1 into I, and you can multiply minus inside of the top. Then what will get? A minus 4 into J plus K into B minus 2 is equal. 0 bar is nothing but simply what we can write, 0I plus 0J plus 0K. Comparing the components of I, J and K on both sides. Comparing the components of I, J and K on both sides. I component here it is having C plus 1 and right side 0. And the second one, A minus 4 is equal to 0. And the next one, B minus 2 is equal to 0. So that is nothing but C is equal to minus 1. And next A is equal to 4. And B is equal to 2. This is first problem. So here it is ABC values they asked. We got the ABC values. C is equal to minus 1, A is equal to 4, and B is equal to 2. Okay, so these are the values we got it. Now we can substitute these values in the vector. So if we substitute in the vector, what we'll get? A bar is equal to, here it is having. So x plus 2y plus AZM. A is nothing but what we got it, 4z into I. Next, plus dx is nothing but 2x minus 3y minus z into jm. And next, plus 4x plus cym. C is nothing but minus 1 minus y plus 2z into k naught. So this is a bar. Okay. Now we need to find phi. Function phi we need to find, and that phi should satisfy this condition. Okay. So for that, what we need to take now? So take a bar is equal to del phi m. Take a bar is equal to del phi. A bar is equal to del phi. Okay. So here it is having del phi is nothing but simply what we can write. So first a bar, what we got it, that one we can write. So a bar is nothing but simply what we got it, x plus 2y plus azm. So a is nothing but 4z, right? 4z into I plus j is nothing but what we got it. So there it is having dx is nothing but 2x minus 3y minus z into z. And next one plus 4x, and c is nothing but minus 1. So for that minus y and plus 2z into k. This is a bar, right? So which is equal del phi m. So del phi is nothing but simply what we can write, I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z, dou phi by dou zm. So simply del phi is nothing but here it is having del is nothing but what we'll write, I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into phi n atom. Okay, so this phi you can multiply instead of that, you'll get this one, right? So this is now comparing the components of I, j and k on both sides. So simply what we'll get, dou phi by dou x is equal to, so dou phi by dou x is equal, what about I component, x plus 2y plus 4z, and next dou phi by dou y is equal to, second j coefficient is 2x 2x minus 3y minus zm, and next dou phi by dou z is equal to, dou phi by dou z is equal to 4x minus y plus 2zm. Okay, so integrating on both sides, man. This one with respect to x, this one with respect to y, and this one with respect to zm. So simply what we'll get after applying integration on integrating with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to zm. On integrating, first integral dou phi by dou x is nothing but phi m, and integral x plus 2y plus 4z into dx, right? So which is equal, simply what we'll get, x integration is x square by 2 plus with respect to x we are doing 2y is a constant, integral dx is nothing but 2xy plus 4xz, and the constant simply we can write f1 of with respect to x means yz are constants. And next from second one, so this one you have to apply integrate with respect to ym. So simply what we'll get, phi is equal to integral 2x minus 3y minus z into dy. So which is equal to 2xy, right? Minus 3y square by 2m. And next minus integral dy is nothing but yz plus f2 of with respect to y means x and z are constants. And next third one, phi is equal to integral 4x minus y plus 2z into dzm. So this is equal with respect to z 4xz minus yz, and next plus z their integration is nothing but z square by 2m plus f3 of xy. Okay, so this one we got it, but we require 5, right? So let it be take it as 1, 2, and 3. Finally, we need to write 5m from 1 and 1, 2, and 3. From 1, 2, and 3. Now we have to write 5. So from 1, 2, and 3. 5 is nothing but first we need to write separate terms. That is nothing but x square by x square by 2. Next, minus 3y square by 2 plus 2 both will cancel them. Here it is. So it means simply what we'll get? Z square plus Z square. Okay. Next, so common terms also you can write now. 2xy, 2xy, right? So common term 2xy is there. And next, 4xz is there minus yz. So this is, and plus constant, you can write plus constant. This is the scalar potential function phi m. So square terms I wrote as well as common terms. Here 2xy and here also 2xy. 2xy only you need to write. And 4xz, 4xz. I wrote 4xz. And next here minus yz, minus yz, minus yz I wrote. Okay. Now, is this right or wrong? How can you say that? I wrote 5, okay. Whether it is right or wrong, how can you say this? So what we said here, it is having a bar is equal del phi. Whatever phi we are saying, that phi should satisfy this condition. It means if you find del phi for this, what you need to get? You need to get the vector a bar. This one has to come. Is it getting or not? Of course, in exam, no need to write this, just for knowing that whether you got it right or not. So del phi is equal. It means that I into this total one plus j into this total one plus k into this total one. So I into. So with respect to x, this total one, it means what we'll get? 2x by 2 is nothing but 2 to cancel x sum. This is 0, this is 0. And here what we'll get? 2y plus 4z, right? Plus 4z. Got it? Next, plus j into, with respect to ym, with respect to y is nothing but, here it is having 6y by 2. 6y by 2 is nothing but minus 3y. And here it is having plus 2x and minus z. Next, plus k into, with respect to zm, z square derivative is nothing but 2z. And here it is having 4x, z is nothing but 4x. And here minus yz is nothing but minus 5. So this is this a bar or not? You can see that. Is this a bar? X plus 2y plus 4z. Got it? And 2x minus 3y minus z. And next 4x minus y plus 2z. Got it or not? Or if you want, you can write in exam also simply verification. Okay. Verification you can write. It's not mandatory, just for knowing that whether you got it right this phi or not. Okay. If you're not getting like this, means obviously you did somewhere mistake. Okay. So this is a very important problem. Okay. Finding the scalar potential function and finding the values of a, b, and c. Okay. So let us see once. Any doubt regarding in this? So that f is equal to x square I plus y square z plus z square k. Z square k is a conservative vector field. Is a conservative vector field. Conservative vector field. Is this new one? Conservative vector field is nothing but simply what we can say that this is nothing but irrotational. So what they are asking, we need to show that this vector is a irrotational vector. It means obviously what we need to prove the condition, curly f is equal to 0. Curly f bar is equal to 0 bar. That one we need to prove here. So this is nothing but in symbolic notation we write del cross f. So this is equal to that. So this is nothing but I, and this is j, this is k. And in that dou by dou x, dou by dou y, and this is nothing but dou by dou z. So here it is having x square, and this is nothing but y square, and this is nothing but z square. So this is equal I into, so just you can apply the derivatives. Dou by dou y of z square is nothing but, there is no y term, 0. and dou by dou z of this one obviously 0 minus j into dou by dou x of z square is 0 and dou by dou z of x square is also 0 plus k into, so this is dou by dou x of y square is 0 and dou by dou y of x square is also 0. So this is nothing but simply what will get 0 bar. So therefore a bar or f is a conservative vector field, or in another words we can say that this is a irrotational vector. Okay. Next, already we said node point as like prove that curl of grad phi, curl of grad phi is equal to 0 1. So already we said in the starting of the class. So curl of grad phi is equal to 0. So that is nothing but simply what we can write here, it is having, so curl of grad phi. This is in word notation, right? And how can you write this is in symbolic notation? Del cross del phi m, right? Del cross del phi. So here it is of del phi is nothing but what? So first we need to find del phi. So del phi is nothing but already we know that. So this is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into phi m into phi. So this is nothing but simply what we can write. Phi is a scalar and you can multiply inside of this. I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. This is del phi. Now you need to find this one curl of grad phi. Okay. So this is simply what we can write. Curl of grad phi is equal to, curl of grad phi is equal to that. Here it is having I j k and curl is nothing but del m. So del is nothing but here it is having dou by dou x and this is dou by dou y and this is dou by dou z now. And next here it is having, so here it is simply what we get dou phi by dou x and this is dou phi by dou y, right? Grad phi m. So dou phi by dou z, dou phi by dou z. So which is equal, simply you can apply the determinant. So here it is I into dou by dou y of dou phi by dou z down. It means simply what we'll get dou square phi by dou y dou z. So here it is curl of grad phi, right? This one we wrote. Curl of grad phi is equal. So here it is having, so what we wrote there, I, j and k. So this is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, and this is dou by dou z. And here it is having dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y, and this is dou phi by dou z. Dou phi by dou z. So this is equal. So if you apply this one, what will get? So I into, so this is dou square phi by dou y dou z. And next, what about this? Minus dou square phi by dou y dou z, right? Minus j into, so this is dou by dou x of this one. So this is dou square phi by dou x dou z. And next, these two, this one and this one. So minus dou square phi by dou z dou x or dou x dou z plus k into, so this is nothing but this one and this one, dou square phi by dou x dou y, dou square phi by dou x dou y minus dou square phi by dou x dou y, dou square phi by dou x dou y. So this is equal. So this one, and this one, and this one. Simply what we'll get? 0 bottom. So simply in another words, we can write therefore curl of grad phi is equal to 0 bar is nothing but grad phi is irrotational. So this one also we can write. Grad phi is a irrotational vector. Grad phi is irrotational. Okay. So just you need to remember the concept, then you can solve whatever the problem they may ask. Okay. Next. Next, same short answer type. This is if a bar is a constant vector, same divergence we proved yesterday, and we are going to see that curl. A bar is a constant vector. Constant vector. Prove that curl A is equal to curl A bar is equal to 0. So already we know that a constant vector is always irrotational. So that one only we are going to prove this. Constant vector they mentioned, but they didn't mention that constants. For that we have to take assumption. Let A bar is equal. Simply we can take A1I plus A2J plus A3K. A3K be a constant vector. Be a constant vector. Be a constant vector, and then curly a bar we are going to prove null. So curly a bar is equal to, here it is having del cross a bar, so this is equal, so simply you can apply the determinant I j k, and a bar is sorry, del is nothing but I coefficient is dou by dou x, and this is dou by dou y, and this is dou y dou z. And in that a bar, what about I coefficient? A1, and j coefficient is A2, and k coefficient is A3. Now you can apply the determinants I into, so dou by dou y of constant and dou by dou z of constant, obviously 0, right? And this is also 0, and this is also 0. So simply what we'll get? 0 bar. So it means constant vector is always a irrotational vector. Okay. Next. Next question. If f bar is equal, if f bar is equal x plus y plus 1 into I plus j minus of x plus y into k, then prove that